Hi friends, I'm back with another word problem page. Now, sometimes at school we call them story problems because there's kind of a story and we have to figure out the answer. We have to figure out the answer to what they're asking us in the story. So this one says word problems. Here we go. And you can see there are 4 different ones. Okay. Word problems. Directions. Solve the word problems. Use the 10 frame to help. Write an equation. Okay, so this 10 frame is familiar to us. We've seen it in our classrooms and worked with it. So let's take a look. The first one says Kate had 3 red pens, 4 blue pens, and 5 green pens. How many pens did she have in all? So let's use our little colorful thing here. 3 red pens. So I'm going to start with red. So you can see here that it says 3 red pens, so that helps us. So what we could do is mark in 3 spots. Remember, Mrs. Pratt has trouble controlling this sometimes. 3 red pens. Now let's go back. 4 blue pens. It helps sometimes to go back to the problem and remind ourselves. 4 blue pens. So we can fill this in, just like the dots in our classroom are filled in. You can fill these in any spot, but I'm doing these spots. And 5 green pens. 5 green pens. Okay. 1. Oops, that kind of went up there. 2, 3, 4, 5. And like I said, you could have filled in different squares than I did, but I made sure that I had 3 red, 4 blue, and 5 green. I have a little trick over here that I found is the eraser. I want to erase right here, this little green part. There we go. I kind of erased it. 3 red pens, 4 blue pens, and 5 green pens. How many pens did she have in all? So when you hear the term in all, it means we're adding, right? We're adding all of them together. So let's see. Now a trick is we know this first one is 10, right? It's a 10 frame. We've filled it all in. There are no spaces left. So we know that's 10. So we can count on from there. We know that's 10 and we've used 2 more. 10 plus 2. Can you figure that out? You could also count on, right? 10, 11, 12. Ooh, so look down here. This asks us to write in the numbers. 10, because there's 10 in one of our 10 frames, plus 2 equals 12. Now, you see that it has 3 lines for you down here. So what they're wanting you to do also, if it's easier for you, is, I'm going to erase this here. See how I'm erasing this? It gave us 3 numbers that we were working with in our word problem, in our story problem. So we could say 3, because we did 3 red, plus 4 blue, plus 5 green. That's another way to do it. That's the way that they really want you to do it, but 10 plus 2 is easy also to figure out. So 3 plus 4, that's what to do first. 3 plus 4, and we can figure that part out ourselves. 3 plus 4. We could start with 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We counted on. So that's 7. So really now we're down to 7 plus 5 equals, start with a larger number again, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I added 5 and I got to 12. We counted on. That's one of our strategies. 7 plus 5 equals 12. So we got the same answer both times. 10 plus 2 equals 12. 3 plus 4 plus 5 equals 12. Okay, so now you can look at the next one, and there are 2 more on the bottom. This one says, Tim ate 5 pieces of pizza. Wow, Tim. Jen ate 4 pieces of pizza. Fred ate 6 pieces of pizza. How many pieces did they eat all together? Again, remember that when they say all together, we're adding. Let us know if you have any questions. See you soon.